How to access advanced feature in YouTube. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to access advanced feature in YouTube. Now, to do this, you have to make sure to update the application, that is YouTube as well as YouTube Studio. Now, in order to access the advanced feature, you could open up your YouTube itself as well. Then you could tap on the profile initials, and then you could go and click on the gear icon from the top of the page. And here you could go ahead and look for advanced feature section. If you're able to find, you could just go ahead and tap open that up. Otherwise, you could just exit out and then launch open your YouTube Studio. When you open up your YouTube Studio, then what next you have to do is, on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the settings. So click on the profile initials and then click on the settings button. And then you could find these advanced options on this page. If you're able to find it here, you could just tap on it and then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt in order to enable the intermittent features. You could do this with the help of a browser itself as well, or on a computer that can be easily accessible. And that is the way you could go ahead and access advanced feature on YouTube. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.